You know, one of the greatest tools I've learned for accelerating success is the use of affirmations and visualization. You know, we're constantly thinking and we're constantly visualizing, but usually it's outside of our control. It's unconscious. When you start using affirmations, which are declarative statements that say, this is what I want, and you state it as if you already have it. So I would say, if my goal was to have, let's say, a condominium in Maui on Anapali Bay, I might have an affirmation that says, I am joyfully watching the sunset from the lanai of my balcony of my 5-bedroom condo in Anapali Bay. And so what happens is I'm describing something as if I already have it. Now the problem is I don't. So my mind goes, wait a second, there's a disconnect here. It creates something we call cognitive dissonance or structural tension in the brain. Advertisers do this to you when they say, imagine yourself behind the wheels of a car. And you do, you're not there. And then all of a sudden your brain says, wait, we're not in Hawaii, we're in California, or we're in Michigan, or we're in Ohio. And so in order to get rid of that tension, I have to do one of two things. I either have to give up my dream, or I have to get myself to Hawaii. And if I hold the affirmation, and I say that every day, and then I close my eyes and visualize what it would look like to watch the sunset over Kaanapali Bay, then what happens is my brain begins to get, he's not giving up that vision. So I better figure out how to get him over there and how to get that condo. And that then activates the creativity, it activates the motivation. It also opens up something in your brain called the Reticular Activating System that will actually allow you to perceive resources that were always in your environment that you never saw before. Like right now, as you're watching this, you're not aware of what you're feeling in your right foot, but as soon as I say right foot, you can feel it. Well, what happens? That information was streaming up the nerves, up your spinal column, into your brain, and the little part of your brain called the Reticular Activating System was filtering it out. Just like if you tried to call the President of the United States, you're probably not going to get through unless your name is Obama or whoever the current president would be in the future. And the reason for that is that you're not on that list. You don't get in. There's a filter filtering you out. And so your brain is filtering out everything that doesn't match your current belief systems. I can't have a job. I can never be a millionaire. It's a bad economy. We'll never be successful. Everything you're believing, you're going to get information filtered in that will help you confirm that belief. If you focus on your vision and your affirmation, you say those words and you close your eyes and you visualize it, do that for 30 days without interruption, you will start then to let in and you'll start seeing all the things that were always in your environment, resources, people, articles, TV shows, opportunities that will help you achieve your goal. It will get easy, it'll start to be effortless, and you'll be on the road to accelerated success.